Hello everyone, welcome back to the course on Health Humanities, Indian and Western Medical Knowledge Traditions. This is lecture number 59 on Yoga and Future of Healthcare. In this lecture, I will talk about how modern healthcare is turning to integrative approaches and where they can turn to different kinds of indigenous and local practices that can offer physical, mental, and spiritual wellness. And in this regard, yoga has become very popular. It is not only providing some kind of healing to the physical body, it is also healing the human beings mentally as well as spiritually. We find that yoga helps in terms of clinical and in clinical and therapeutic settings as well, and it provides holistic models and that aligns with the modern medical systems as well. So yoga has been now emerging one of the future models of healthcare systems, where one is having control of their body, mind, and soul, not through medical practices, but through the practices of yoga, and where one needs to control one's breath and one's body movements, one's mind and senses. So for the future of medicine, yoga provides a holistic vision. Yoga considers health as a balance, not just absence of disease. Yoga is seen that there should be balance between body and mind. It considers that there should be balance between one's thoughts and actions. It considers a balance between one's inner life as well as the outer world. So in a way, yoga is about balance between the human body and the world, the cosmos. It is about that how human beings can live in harmony with nature, how human beings can live in harmony with the universe, in cosmos. Yoga is not only about the absence of disease, that one's body is free from diseases. And the eightfold paths which Patanjali has given, and I have discussed about the eightfold paths in lecture number 53, and so I'm not repeating those eightfold paths over here, but it integrates how one can control one's body and mind. Eightfold path integrates ethics, body, breath, and mind, and makes one to exist in the harmony of one's self, in the harmony of the universe. and also yoga addresses the root causes of illness. It promotes harmony between self and environment, and it supports preventive and promotive health. In this way, we find that one of the best possible way of the future of healthcare is the practices of yoga, and yoga can lead to a healthy and better lifestyle. And how one can how one can practice yoga, and what are the things which are necessary, then one has to think about that yoga is one of the simplest and most easy. It doesn't need anything, it just needs one's time and one's concentration. And when we think about meditation and dhyana in yoga, then through meditation and dhyan, yoga aims for inner peace and awareness. This is very necessary for mental health, which I discussed in the previous lecture, that one of the reasons of some kind of problem in society is because of the mental disturbance, and people need inner peace and inner peace can lead to the happy life, to a healthy life, and yoga aims for inner peace. Further, yoga includes mindfulness and mantras of repetition that heals one's mind, that heals one's mental health. It reduces stress and anxiety and deepens spiritual insights. And so we find that the focus on inner peace, mindfulness, reduction of stress and anxiety are very central to the yogic practices that Indian system of thought emphasizes. We also find yoga to be very useful in modern medicine, and yoga is seen to reduce stress and promote mental health. It helps in managing chronic diseases and also helps in complementary therapy in rehabilitation. We find the integration of yoga in wellness programs, and it is also supported and approved by scientific research. We find that yoga is very useful in different kind of health concerns. It can be in terms of like a different kind of joint aches, or maybe the balance of mind, or it's about the concerns of heart, or maybe some other concerns, and yoga helps in that. Yoga also helps in alleviating depression, anxiety, and post-traumatic stress disorder. So in this way, yoga is very useful in mental health. It enhances resilience and mindfulness and improves sleep quality. Further, yoga promotes emotional regulation and resilience and improves concentration and self-awareness. In this way, we find that yoga has very deep role in improving mental health, and it can improve mental health through different styles, through different lifestyles, and yoga helps to actually monitor the lifestyle disorders. It helps to manage diabetes and hypertension. It helps to improve mobility in arthritis. It helps in heart disease recovery and many other types of lifestyle related illnesses. So to conclude, yoga aligns with future trends in healthcare. It supports mind and body harmony and resilience. It aims to provide harmony between mind, body, and the universe. So it provides that it helps that human beings have some kind of connection with the nature, with the universe. It talks about the harmony of the individual as well as the universe. And the results of yoga have been now universally adopted and embraced. It also empowers individual self-care and has become essential part of modern medical practices. Thank you.